If you're thinking about buying from Urban Hollis, I'd honestly skip it. At first glance, the site looks clean and premium, but once you dig deeper, there are some major red flags. First, their legal pages accidentally refer to the company as Hartley Ridge in some sections instead of Urban Hollis. That usually means this is just a cloned dropshipping template they forgot to fully edit. Second, their contact info doesn't add up. They list a New York address, but the phone number has a California area code. That's usually a sign of a virtual setup, not a real fashion brand. It gets worse. Their own disclaimer says they don't guarantee product descriptions, pricing, or even product images are accurate, and they can cancel your order whenever they want. And despite claiming premium craftsmanship, there are basically no real customer reviews, unboxings, or trusted third-party mentions online. So what happens if you order? Probably long shipping delays, lower quality products than advertised, and frustrating return policies. If you like their minimalist style, use Google Lens to reverse search the products or shop trusted brands like Hollister or Vero Moda instead.